Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Syllabus Coach. Today we're going to come up with new series on Vedic mathematics. So without any further delay, let me introduce the first topic of the series. The first topic of the series is multiplication of any number with series of nines. What is it? We'll try to identify different techniques that will help you to calculate the multiplication of any number with series of nines. So let me just start explaining that. If you take any number and if you start multiplying that by 9, 99, 999, or even higher orders of nines, the traditional method of multiplication is going to be very hectic. And that's why it's important to understand various techniques that will help you to solve these kind of questions in less than 3 to 4 seconds. And today we are going to teach you those kind of techniques. Without any further delay, let me explain this concept with a very basic example. Let's take a basic example which is 8 into 9. Which is 72, right? Let's try to understand how we can actually implement the shortcut on this basic question. So let's try to write the question first. What is it? 8 into 9. What is it? 8 into 9. When you're trying to solve this particular question using the technique, you'll be following two steps. What are those steps? The first step is identifying the number which is being multiplied by series of nines. In this case, what is that number? It is 8 because 8 is being multiplied by series of nines. And once you identify that particular number, try to reduce it by 1. What are you doing? You are subtracting 1 from that particular number. So 8 minus 1 is simply 7. That's the first step. And second step is nothing but you have to reduce 7 from 9. That means you have to subtract 7 from 9. In that case, 9 minus 7 is simply 2. Therefore, the answer for this question is simply 72. You will actually appreciate this technique whenever you go to higher orders. So let me take one more example and make it more clear for you. So next question or next example is simply 88 into 99. What is it? 88 into 99. Before we actually use the technique, let's try to calculate this question using the traditional method of multiplication. So what is 9 into 8? It is 72, isn't it? And then 9 into 8 is 72 again. 72 plus 77, 7 is 79, right? And now you have 9 into 8 again, which is 72, and 9 into 8, 72 plus 7, 79. Therefore, the answer for this question is 2, 11, and then 9 plus 10, 17, and then 8. So the answer for this question is 8712. So this is the traditional method of multiplication. What if you use the technique that we have learned so far? So let's use that technique now. So what is the first thing that you need to do? You need to write 88 into 99 like this, right? This is the first step. And the first step that you need to do is identify the number that is being multiplied by series of nines. What is that number? It is 88, right? So reduce 1 from 88. What is it? You're subtracting 81 from 88. So it becomes 87. That's the first step. And what is the second step? Simple. You have to subtract 8 from 9. So that becomes how much? 9 minus 8. How much? 1. Simple. And now subtract 7 from 9. What is it? 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. So the answer for this question is 8712. Got it? As it's a first class, I'm telling you in such a way that you have to subtract 8 from 9, 7 from 9, right? So instead of doing that, you can straight away subtract 8 from 9 and 7 from 9. You got it, right? Let's do that with one more example so that will be more clear for you, right? So going to the next question, which is 73 into 99. What is it? 73 into 99. Let's do this question in a traditional approach first. 9 3 is 27. 9 7 is 63 plus 2, which is 657. And then we have 9 3, 7, 5 and 6. So which is 7, 12, 12 and 1, which is 7227. So the answer for this question is 7227. Let's use the technique now so that you'll solve it in less than 3 to 4 seconds. So 73 into 99 is the question. So what is the first step, students? The first step is identifying the number which is being multiplied by series of nines. So 73 minus 1 is nothing but 72, isn't it? Now, what is 9 minus 7, students? It is 2. What is 9 minus 2? It is 7. Simple. So therefore, the answer for this question is 7227. Clear? Let's take more examples so that all of you will be comfortable with this particular technique. What is 46 into 99, students? Simple. What is the first step? The first step is identifying the number which is multiplied by 99. So 46 minus 1, what is it? 45, right? Now, you have to subtract 4 from 9. So 9 minus 4 is 5 and 9 minus 5 is 4. So answer for this question is 4, 5, 5, 4. Hope you're clear with all these questions so far. Now, let's take 3 degree numbers. So that is 7, 7, 2 into 9, 9, 9. So let's solve this question using the technique. How would you do that? First, identify the number which is being multiplied by series of 9s. So 772 minus 1. What is it? 772 minus 1, which is 771, right? What is the second step now? You just have to subtract 7 from 9. So 9 minus 7 is 2, 9 minus 7 is 2, and 9 minus 1 is 8. So the answer for this question is 7, 7, 1, 2, 2, 8, right? Are you really liking this technique? You'll definitely, right? So let's take one more example by increasing the complexity of the question. So let's do it with fourth order, which is 8, 5, 6, 3, and then 9, 9, 9, 9, right? This is what you need to do. What is the first step? The first step is reducing it by minus 1. What is it? Reduce it by minus 1, which is 8, 5, 6, 2. What is the second step? Reduce each of these numbers from 9. So what is 9 minus 8? 1. 9 minus 5? 4. 9 minus 6? 3. And what is 9 minus 2? 7. Simple. So the answer for this question is 8, 5, 6, 2, 1, 4, 3, 7. Hope you're clear with all these kind of questions, right? Now let's take a bigger number and you'll be surprised how this technique is going to help you. Take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and then multiply with 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Now, what is the answer for this question? You know the technique, right? So it's simple. Take this number and subtract 1 from this. What would happen? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 8, right? Because you subtracted 1 from the original number. Now what are you supposed to do, students? You have to reduce 1 from 9, right? What is it? Reduce 1 from 9 and then 9 minus 1 is 8, right? So 9 minus 1 is 8. What is this? Now reduce 2 from 9, which is 7. And then 9 minus 3 is 6. 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 8 is 1. And 9 minus is 1. So this is the answer for your question. Even if you try to calculate this question in the calculator, it will give you an answer in exponential form, and that would be very difficult for you to convert. So when you know these kind of Vedic mathematics techniques, you'll be able to solve questions in a very less time. Hope you are clear with all these kind of questions now. Now, some students would be having a doubt with different types of questions. Now, if somebody asks you to calculate 56 into 999, how would you solve this question? Simple, students. You just have to add 0 to 56 to make sure the length of the number is equal to the series of 9s that is given to you, right? So in this case, what would you do? Select this number after adding 0. What? After adding 0, select this number and reduce this by 1. And do not remove 0 at any case. So it is 055. What is it? 055 because you removed 1 from 56. And after that, the same concept. Remove 0 from 9, it becomes 9. So 9 minus 5, how much it is? 4. And 9 minus 5, it is 4. So the answer for this question is 55, 944. Hope you're clear with this question. So let me take one last example and we'll stop the video. The next question is 5 into 999. What is it? 5 into 999. So what are you supposed to do now? You're supposed to add 2 zeros to make sure that the length of the number is equal to length of 9s. And now take this number and reduce it by minus 1. So what happens? It becomes 004. And now 9 minus 0 is 9 and 9 minus 0 is 9 again and 9 minus 4 is 5. So the answer for this question is 4995. That's it, right? Hope you love the techniques. So please like the videos, subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends because exciting techniques are going to come up. Thank you so much.